Hey, I'm Gil Obregon, Communications Specialist for the City of Plano. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of Plano City News. Plano residents are invited to learn more about the redevelopment process for the shops at Willow Bend. The city already hosted an in-person community open house on Wednesday, July 8th. If you couldn't make that one, there will be a second one on Tuesday, July 14th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the shops at Willow Bend. A self-guided virtual open house is also available right now through Wednesday, July 22nd at midnight. To learn more and to follow along throughout the entire process, please visit plano.gov/Willow Bend District. And in July, we get to celebrate our Parks and Recs department in Parks and Recreation Month. This year's theme is the power of parks and recreation. Plano Parks and Recreation has a full July calendar of free and affordable activities happening all month long, including guided hikes, community free play days, and more. You can follow Plano Parks and Recreation on Facebook for parks and recreation trivia, prizes, and more ways to celebrate throughout the entire month. And if you're able to, be sure to help our first responders save lives during the First Responders Blood Drive this weekend. The blood drive runs from Friday, July 10th through Sunday, July 12th at multiple Plano locations. Appointments are available at several sites across the city, and you can sign up for those by going to www.greatpartners.org. And finally, now it's time to meet our pet of the week. Thor is a friendly pit bull terrier mix who's about 2 years old. He loves playing with children and is very active. Thor recently went on his first Pups in the Park walk where he got along well with other dogs and animals in the park and also enjoyed getting pet by other people that walk by. Thor is described as playful and very kind. To learn more about Thor and see all of the pets available for adoption, head to share.plano.gov/pets for adoption. That does it for this week's edition of Plano City News. For more from our great city, head to our social media pages or our website, plano.gov. We'll see you soon.